Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by organizing and protecting your files. Move all images into one folder and make a backup copy. Open Photoshop and show the Actions panel so you can record. Click Record, name the action clearly, and set optional function key shortcuts. Then perform the first basic edits: crop, straighten, and set white balance, because these get applied consistently. Once done, stop the recording briefly to confirm the steps and prepare for batch application across the set. Now you expand the action with reliable, non-destructive steps. Add adjustment layers for exposure, curves, saturation, and convert layers to smart objects for filters. Insert image size, unsharp mask, and noise reduction filters where needed, and add layer masks for selective adjustments. Run the action on 5 representative photos to inspect results. Then pause and refine mask opacity or curve points. Make sure toggles and absolute versus relative commands are correct. You finish by running File Automate Batch. Select your action, set the source folder, and choose destination with naming convention and format options. Use Override Action Open commands when appropriate and set Save as options for JPG/TIFF and quality. Monitor the first few outputs and stop if you see failures. If Photoshop throws errors, check file permissions, very long path names, or the exact action step that failed. Then adjust the action, re-record the problematic command, and rerun the batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.